Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your online profile with Yelp, full guide step by step clearly. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Yelp homepage. Log into your Yelp account using your email and password. If you don't have an account, create one by clicking on the sign up option. Once logged in, click on your profile icon located in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. On the Settings page, review your personal information. Ensure your name, email address, and phone number are correct. Next, look for the Privacy Settings section. Here, you will find options to control who can see your information. Consider making your profile private to limit visibility. Scroll down to the Review settings. Choose whether you want your reviews to be public or limited to friends. After that, navigate to the Business Information section. Update any outdated information about your business if you are a business owner. Next, check the Notifications section. Adjust your notification preferences for different Yelp updates. Be sure to set alerts for any messages or reviews. Review your connected social media accounts. Disconnect any accounts you no longer use. Now, check the security settings. Enable two-factor authentication for added security. This will require additional verification when logging in from new devices. To further protect your profile, change your password regularly. Create a strong password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols. Finally, log out of your account when finished to secure your profile. Regularly return to your settings to review and update your privacy preferences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.